Well, today I am putting on the new rear engine mount for the Honda Civic. Still looks awesome. Hopefully that will not be a hard job. I am kind of hoping it won't be. I did take a few steps to begin with, which I'll tell you when I get down there and start pulling things apart. And I got to see what wrenches I need or sockets. So I'll get us down there and get this thing on the way, and hopefully this will turn into an easy job. First of all, you gotta jack up your car. I got two jacks on it here just to steady it out, and jack stands on both sides I'm just being really cautious. I'm here alone. I don't need this thing falling on me. That would be a bad thing. Don't like that. So I got two jacks on her. A little overcautious, but I have been known not to be cautious in the past. And I kind of don't want a car falling on me. I've been under cars where they wobbled quite a bit, and I was like, I still went under. And boy, when I was young, I was an idiot. So jack stands are a must. And jacks. So there is the rear engine mount. It's more or less a transmission mount. I think it's hooked to the transmission. Yeah, they call it a rear engine mount. And there's this bolt, and there's one under there, which, and by the way, I did cut a little hole, so you can see a little hole there I cut. Just didn't want to deal with it pulling back the flap. I just cut a little hole. Seems to work for me, so I'm okay with that. So this thing looks nice underneath. Honda Civic, such a nice vehicle. And I'm just running straight exhaust with just the resonator. Sounds great too. Oh, love that sound. But yeah, let's get back to the project here. All right. Well, first I'm gonna have to get the right. I think this one's a 17. I don't know what the one under here is though. I'm going to have to check. It might be 17. It doesn't look it, so I'm gonna have to look. Okay, let's get back to this. Okay, this bolt is actually 19 millimeter, and the one under here, 17. So, the trouble I have. Luckily, I have a ratcheting. I did break it loose a little. It's not that loose. So, at least I hope it isn't in real life. It is, turns out beautifully though. But it will not come out all the way. See it? But it's got a notch on this side here. Got a notch. Now I'm gonna get the 17. I am gonna use my air tools because, oh yeah, it's air tools. And that's what I'm gonna do. And that one wasn't very tight either. So they're just snug in there, I'm guessing. I don't know what the foot-pound is for them because no one said anything. I didn't get any information with this, well, who is this made by? I'll have to tell you in the comments. I don't even know. There we go, we got her out. Take that bolt out. Let's take a look at this. So, she's pretty, my word, no wonder my wheels skip so much. Yeah, she gets a lot of wheel skip when I take off fast. And I don't like that. I really don't like that at all. So, I'm putting in the solid mount one. So, the solid mount one should go in nice. At least I hope. Well, I'm hoping it will. I'm going to put some, what is this? This is multi-purpose synthetic grease. So, I'm hoping this is going to help it go in. Because, boy, I really don't need this to give me trouble. And this stuff it'll stop for corrosion and stuff too, so There we go. Yeah. What's going to be the tough thing here? There's always a tough thing. So, let me grab my light here and look in there. No, she just has to fit in there pretty well. That's it. And I'm hoping I can get her in without any trouble. Take a screwdriver, hook her on here, slide her in. So far, so good. Oh, wow. This is it? You know what I forgot? Hopefully, I can tweak her down a bit. Yeah, I can. I forgot to put this bolt in. Smart of me. Very smart. I think I'm gonna have to get the something to give her a good whack or two, a tap. So I'm gonna get the rubber mallet. If I knew where the rubber mallet was. Because the wife used it last. And she never puts anything back. That's why I hate working with the wife. Wow. Never, ever puts anything back. Look at that blue. I have no clue where she put it. Well, I did find it. I guess I left you guys on there taping a bit. I don't know why it didn't pause. This new phone is driving me crazy. It is driving me crazy sometimes. Hey, look at that. Well, I'm hoping that did something. Well, let's see if we can get her in. Where's my 19? I don't know if I have her in. I think I do. I don't want to tighten her up yet. Some sort of a tractor going down the road over here. They're finally putting in my... I was hoping they were going to put in my Wi-Fi internet. Ah, darn it. No, they're not. They're doing other work. Ah, well. I was hoping, you know. Okay. Let me put the top back on my synthetic lube stuff here. Move that out of the way. I think, well, let's see. Let us see if I'm even close. No, I gotta go in. Oh. I didn't know it was that easy. Really? Did that go in that easy? You gotta be kidding me. This is me we're talking about. This is me. Nothing goes easy. Well, let's see. Oh my word, it went in and easy. Wow, things are... So I'm just going to leave that at that tightness. This is beginning to be way easier than it should have been. Oh, well. I don't know what the foot-pounds on this should be, but I'll give her some ooga-doogas. Oops, sorry. This is not... This is not you-know-who. No ooga-doogas here. Alright, she's tight. She's tight, and I'm going to leave it like that. So, she's in. Look at that. She's in. She went in nice. Now, if I can get the car out of the garage, I'm going to take it for a drive and see how well that worked. Well, stand by. So, that is the old one. Wow. Was it ever... Well, let's just say, a lot of wheel bounce on that thing. Whoops, there we go, destroying my car. It was not very good. I did not like it. But, yeah, I'm going to try to get this thing out on the street. And maybe we can lay a strip with this thing without the wheel hop that it has. Alright, let us start up the Honda for the first time. Some people say it's got a different sound and it vibrates more. Let's see. Oh yeah, she's vibrating. Wow. She's vibrating good. That's fine. I don't mind vibrations. Let's see if I can get this thing out of here. Glad I got a backup camera. Alright, we got her on the road. Let's see what this thing will take off like now. If it wheel hops, it wheel hops. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Oh, gotta turn off the... Well, there was a vehicle coming, so I couldn't do it. I had to pull over to the side. Dang. Okay, let's try it now. No wheel hop. So yeah, this thing worked. It worked good. I'm happy with it. It really hooked and went. So this is a good mod to do to your vehicle. So I would say, yeah, many people should do this if they got Hondas, if they want to use them for just, you know, you get less wheel hop. I'm quite happy, and thanks for watching.